In this video, we'll show you how to install Scripthook V in GTA 5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Scripthook V is an essential tool that allows you to use mods and custom scripts in GTA 5. However, keep in mind that it doesn't work in GTA Online, and using it there can get you banned. Alright, let's get started. First, go to the official Scripthook V website. I'll put the link in the description, and here just click download and it'll start downloading the latest version of Scripthook V. After you got the file, open up the zip file, and here open the bin folder and you'll see these files. Now to install it, you'll need to copy these files into your GTA 5 main directory. If you don't know where, on Epic Games you go to library and then look for your GTA 5 right here and click these three dots, go to manage, and on installation tab you can click this folder icon to open your GTA 5 directory. Now on Steam it's the same thing. You go to library and then on your GTA 5 you can right click, manage, and browse local files. After you find your GTA 5 directory, what you need to do is drag and drop these files: X input DLL, D input 8 DLL, and Scripthook V DLL. Just drag and drop it into your GTA 5 directory. Just like that. Now for native trainer ASI, it is optional. It's a trainer which allows you to spawn vehicle, change the weather, and much more. But if you want to install it, you can also drag and drop it into your GTA 5 directory. If everything was installed correctly, you can press F4 to open the native trainer and start using the mods.